Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German Grammar. In this video, you will be learning about the question word Warum.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for learning German for free and in the easiest way. We offer structured courses for A1, A2, B1 and B2 and a variety of topics from grammar and vocabulary to common mistakes one can make in German. You can visit our page on patreon.com to get free worksheets, podcasts, transcripts, early access to our videos and more.
Fragewort Warum. Warum ist ein kausales Frageadverb und fragt nach dem Grund oder der Ursache. A causal question adverb that asks about the reason or cause. Let's look at some questions. And here is the first one. Warum lernst du Deutsch? Warum lernst du Deutsch? Warum here is in the first position and verb is in the second position. Warum hast du mich nicht angerufen? Warum hast du mich nicht angerufen? Whenever warum is at the beginning of a question, it is asking about a reason. Questions with warum are mostly answered with conjunctions weil and denn or with genitive preposition wegen. Weil ich krank war. Denn ich war krank. Wegen der Verspätung. Here are some more questions. Warum hast du nicht Bescheid gesagt? Warum hast du nicht Bescheid gesagt? Warum schreibst du mir nicht? Warum schreibst du mir nicht? Warum has some synonyms and these can easily replace warum. They have the same meaning as warum and even stand in the first position in a question. Here are these questions. Wieso ist er nicht gekommen? Wieso ist er nicht gekommen? This has the same meaning as Warum ist er nicht gekommen? Weshalb hast du das getan? Weshalb hast du das getan? Or you can simply ask, Warum hast du das getan? Weswegen kommst du heute so spät? Weswegen kommst du heute so spät? In simple words, Warum kommst du heute so spät? Let us know some questions with warum that you know. You can write them in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. To practice what you have learned, become a patron free of cost and download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. All links can be found below in the description. You can also gain access to our transcripts by becoming a $1 patron and to our podcasts by becoming a $5 patron. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!